AI interior design tools are revolutionizing the way we style our homes. These tools use artificial intelligence to analyze your space and suggest different design styles instantly. Whether you want a modern, minimalist, or vintage look, AI can help you visualize it before making any changes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered interior design and how tools like InteriorAI can completely transform your space. Stick around for an exciting before and after room makeover. AI interior design tools are revolutionizing the way we style our homes. These tools use artificial intelligence to analyze your space and suggest different design styles instantly. Whether you want a modern, minimalist, or vintage look, AI can help you visualize it before making any changes. Alright, let's start with this room. As you can see, it's pretty basic right now. Plain walls, minimal decor, and not much personality. Now let's see what AI can do. I'm uploading this photo into InteriorAI, and now I can choose from various design themes like Scandinavian, industrial, or bohemian. Let's go with modern, and boom. In seconds, we get a fully designed version of our room. Look at this transformation. The AI has added stylish furniture, improved lighting, and created a completely new vibe. This is an awesome way to get inspiration before making real changes. AI interior design tools like InteriorAI help you save time and money by visualizing changes before buying furniture, experiment with multiple styles without hiring a designer, and get instant suggestions tailored to your space. So, what do you think? Would you try AI for designing your space? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. See you in the next one.